In this video, I'm going to show you how to make hand sanitizer yourself. Many supermarkets and pharmacies have run out of stock currently, but it's very simple to make if you have the raw materials. And both of these raw materials came from eBay. That's industrial isopropanol. You can get reagent grade if you like, but this is inexpensive and also very effective. This is around 97% isopropanol. The other 3% is probably water and a trace of a few other hydrocarbons, which won't really be detrimental. And this is vegetable glycerine. And this is food colouring, which is optional. But basically, all you do is take a around. There. 1.2 litres of isopropanol. Approximately. And 500 millilitres of glycerine. You might say, by the way, that you could add glycerine to taste. I think that's probably enough. Give it a stir. Yeah. Getting there. Now I'm going to add 2 drops of food colouring. This is absolutely optional, but most people like it. Oh, there's plenty of drops on the bench. That should do. What a nice colour. And that is how you make hand sanitizer. It's a little more stirring, but yeah, there's time. Thank you. That's it.